Hi guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It's Tuesday morning. I've made some breakfast. I've got the Kodiak protein pancakes, the buttermilk right here. I actually made a little bit too much, so I probably won't finish all that. I made some scrambled eggs. I've got some sweet tea and some pure maple syrup. And then I wanted to show you quickly, yesterday we got this at work. So this is some Gratis for the new Beauty Blender foundation. They just gave us a small one. It's a ½ ounce. I'm pretty sure the full size is an ounce. So like half the size, and a Beauty Blender, which I'm excited to have another because you can never have too many Beauty Blenders. But I'm really excited to try it. I got shade 1.2. I will definitely be trying this out soon. I may try it in a full face of first impressions. I was going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin, but I actually tried that yesterday and I love it. I'll definitely talk about it more in a video doing my makeup because it's so nice, but it lasted all day. But I just quickly wanted to show you that. It's a little later in the morning because I stayed up super late. I don't know what I was doing, just like relaxing after I got home. So that's my morning, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it's now Wednesday, and I'm looking rough because I am about to go for a walk around my neighborhood, and it is hella hot outside. I know that going in though, and I'm prepared. So I just washed my face because I did use a retinol last night. So of course I need to make sure that I get all of that off. And then use some good sunscreen. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use up this Supergoop Superpower sunscreen mousse on my arms. And I'm actually looking for another sunscreen that I thought I had in here. Let me show you guys my bathroom. The sink is a lot cleaner, thank goodness, but I still have so much stuff. Like, I don't need all this out. And this drawer is not that bad anymore. It was so filled with junk though. And I had another sunscreen. This one's even worse. Yikes. Yikes. This is like what I need to get under control. And I've got all these bottles of medicine and I rarely ever use any medication at all. I love that. That's amazing. Let me see. I'm pretty sure that like some of these sunscreens are expired. Oh yeah. This expired in October of 2016. Yeah. Literally just been sitting there. I've got so much junk. But I wanted to use more sunscreen than, look at this. Cotton balls, really? Just like laying in there? Lord have mercy. So yeah, I'm trying to find some more sunscreen. But I think I'll just go figure out where my Shiseido is and put that on my face. So it's about 1 o'clock already. I'm doing awful on time, but I have gotten some things done. So it's not completely terrible. Look at that light. What the hell? Okay, so I've gotten some things done. I did do dishes and I emptied it. Also, I have this little thing covering where the garbage disposal is. It's super cute. And I really like this new Dawn Escapes New Zealand spring scent. It's very nice. So I washed some dishes, and then the rest of this is just like a mess. I'm going to film after I get home. I'm gonna scoop litter boxes, shower, and then I'm gonna film with this while I got some laundry going. And guys, I also have like massive piles of stuff to film with. So I'm like trying to get organized. This is going to be filming with all new stuff. I'm just kind of throwing things in there. I should throw this bag away, but the cats really like to play in it. So that's what we're looking like, and hopefully in a little while I can show you guys some progress that I've actually cleaned up. We'll see. Hey guys, it's still Tuesday, and as you might have guessed, going walking in Alabama at 1 o'clock in the afternoon was a bad idea. Now I feel like poop. So it was just so hot. I mean, I think it was around 100 degrees, and I was out for a few minutes shy of an hour. So I did one big loop. It's almost 2 kilometers. I only know that because of my Apple Watch, but it's a little under 2 kilometers, maybe like 1 3/4. And I was like, should I do another? Should I not? And It was kind of overcast at that point. It wasn't quite so hot in the sun. And of course, like as soon as I turned around the second corner of my next lap around, then the sun came out full blast and it was so hot. Luckily I had water and I had of course put on a ton of sunscreen, so that wasn't a problem, but it was just gross feeling and it's just too hot. I am very sensitive to temperature, like it's crazy. I am either hot or cold. There's no in between. I'm always one or the other. I'm never just like comfortable. I'm always hot at work, and then I come home and we've got the air on and I start freezing. Like there's no balance. But anyway, enough complaining. I am home now. I have laundry going, if you guys can hear that. So I need to take laundry out. I need to skip the litter boxes, and then I was planning on filming a video with my Wet n Wild Fire, what is it called? Fire Dragon and Ice Dragon. I got all the products. So that was really cool. Zach actually ordered them, and if you want to order anything on Wet n Wild, check out their website, and one person can email another person a 25% off discount. So I actually sent it to Zach and I was like, haha, here's a discount in case you want to order some stuff. And when the stuff came out, he actually got everything, which, I mean, I was kind of like telling him about it, and I was like, hey, I can pay for it. And then the person who sent it, when the other person places an order, the person who sent it also gets 25% off, and you can use it off anything. So highly recommend, even if you just want to like get a friend to send it to you, then you can use it and then they can get a discount afterwards. It's pretty cool. So I was gonna film with that, and I want to do like a crazy look of some sort. So I'm trying to pull my shit together, and I've only got a couple hours. When Zach gets home, we are going to go to Aldi and get some groceries, so we need them desperately because I cannot keep eating out. Like, I hate everything, and it's also not good for you. I'm still red. You can still see like I'm hot. And it's not that cool in here either. I did want to show you really quick. I got a box. This is from Influenster and Laura Mercier. Really cool. So this is what we got. They make that. Oh, they're showing like full sizes of everything. But anyway, what we did get is the new translucent loose setting powder in Glow, and I got, this is the like translucent glow one, and I'm actually really excited to try this. When I first watched it in store, I thought, wow, that's super shimmery, and I thought it would be maybe more like the Hourglass. It's a little bit more glowy than that, but I am definitely going to be trying this in a video. I've got like a basket that I showed you guys earlier that I'm accumulating new things in. It also came with the Glow powder brush, and this I'm very excited about. This looks like a super nice brush. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it looks and feels very luxurious, and I can't wait to try it out with the powder. And then they also sent a travel size, the deluxe mini translucent setting powder and the little mini puff. I think I'm just going to put this in an Instagram giveaway because I already have, I think I have like 2 backup puffs, and I think I have 1 or 2 full powders. I'm gonna look. I'm pretty sure though, I don't think that I'll need to keep this as a backup or anything, so I think I will put that in an Instagram giveaway. It's a decent size too. It's not like a tiny one. You can actually use that for quite some time. I went through one of these in maybe like 4 months. Like, it still lasts a long time. So that's my goodies for right now. I'm gonna go try to get some stuff done and hopefully feel better shortly, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm driving to work. I don't really like this angle. I feel like I look a little fluffy. I haven't been vlogging much because I have been working non-stop. I am on, I think this is like my 5th day in a row, but I work today, which is Sunday, and then I work Monday, Tuesday, and I'm off Wednesday. I was supposed to be off on Thursday, which was going to be a pretty long stretch, and then we changed some things around for other purposes, and I was able to become off on Wednesday, which I am so excited about.
Oh, you just had to turn in here and make this process. Okay.
Tonight, after work, one of my co-workers, this is her last day, so we are going out to dinner. like if people are comfortable, I might vlog that. So that's about it for today. Another day of working, and if I vlog tonight, of course you'll see that next. So I will be talking to you guys. Oh no! So let's go to work. Say hey. It's a video. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Is this going on your video? Yes. Monday at about 5 o'clock and I am home from work. I actually left a little earlier today than expected, so I'm glad to be home. After I film this clip, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog. Hi, Bean. Hi, baby. Hi. So pretty. I got a few little things from Wish, but those are gonna be surprises. I think they're from Wish. And then I got one package from the Wildlife Conservation Society. It's got little elephants on it. And I don't know if you guys remember, but when my FabFitFun came around, they gave little paper straws so you could stop using plastic. And if you pledged to use less plastic straws, they sent you this stainless steel one. And I also made a little donation. I think that's why I got these straws in the first place, is like I donated $1 as an add-on. So I got a stainless steel straw. Hey. Hey, what are you doing, little buttons? What are you doing? Hi. How's the baby? How's the baby? Kitty baby, kitty baby. So this is a bin of new stuff, and sneaky peeky, I got a lot of Too Faced Tutti Frutti stuff, and I used up a lot of my Ulta points. I also got these furry scrunchies. I just had to. I was like, oh my god, 90s goodness. And I also picked up the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis, which is really pretty. I'll quickly show you guys if you have not seen it. It's got a really pretty mix of colors. It's a lot of shimmers and metallics. There's only a few mattes. There's 4 mattes in there. And then you've got a big highlighter. Because I think that's a highlighter. It's a little golden for me, but we can probably still make that work. But it's really pretty. So it's a 19 color shadow and highlight palette. I'm guessing that maybe all of these are highlight, but you could definitely use some for shadow too. That one's kind of pretty. Okay, she's prettier. I can use that. Ooh. That's more my speed. So definitely really pretty. It's got a good mix of colors in there. So that's my bin I'm going to be doing some videos out of. And I really need to get my life together, guys. We're also going to go and get a new shower head.
We actually got... Why is it not focusing on my face? I don't know what my camera's doing. It's like blurring out my face. The camera knows. Why is it focusing on the bag of popcorn? Okay, there we go. Yes, a human.
So, at any rate, we got a new shower head because we cleaned ours with CLR, but it was like some of the streams of water weren't spraying out right, and it's like they're clogged or something. And then the one that Zach got, I absolutely hate because it's like this little stream of water, and like instead of like dispersing to like a bigger shower, it just like stays in this straight stream. And I'm like, I don't want to have to chase the shower around. It's stupid. So we're gonna go get a different one, and yeah, they're gonna have to take that back because it's crappy. and we may go to Bed Bath & Beyond to try to find a better one. I don't like the ones that have like the cord where you can like take it off. Like, I don't see the point in that. I just want it to be boom, shower head. Can we not? So I didn't realize I was so picky about shower heads until now, but apparently I am. So we're gonna go figure that out in a little bit. But first I am going to sit down and get this video ready to go up. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you watched it, I appreciate you guys. And as always, I love you. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing these videos. And definitely drop me some comments below and let me know what you guys are up to this week. You guys have seen my entire week, and let me know what you've been doing, and are you okay? Are you having a good week? And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.